Is how long will my dental restoration last? A common misconception is that the dental restorations last forever, but unfortunately this is rarely true. With time, dental restorations can break down. They can become loose, which would then allow decay to enter under the restoration, become problematic. Although you can't expect your fillings, bridges, and crowns to last forever, you can do your part to make them last as long as possible. Maintain great oral hygiene and visit your family dentist regularly to keep those restorations in great condition as long as possible. And I will see you next week here live at Princess Center Dentistry in Scottsdale, Arizona. Bye.